Today I will tell you about my monarchist journey, give you insights of the leadership lessons I got working with one king, and also tell you why I think monarchy works. I wanted in person to thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I never thought we will come this far. So let's go to beginning with my background. I come from a family of geologists and I followed in these footsteps. Back in 2008, I was a shy nerd engineering student who didn't care much about politics. But I thought monarchism is a better way. Not that I was expecting to do anything about it. I planned to become a petroleum engineer, make lots of money, retire early, and do lots of fishing. Not that this plan has changed in any form. After 2008 presidential elections in Serbia, President of Republic in his victory speech said that we won over those losers. And I thought, well, not me. I did not vote for president. I felt compelled to act. I sent a brief email to Crown Prince Alexander, who is the titular king of Serbia, suggesting the formation of a grassroots movement to promote the monarchy and eventually call for a referendum. To my surprise, I received a response from Crown Prince's PR team asking for my phone number. The next morning, during one of the classes, I received a call from Crown Princess Catherine herself. They invited me to Royal Palace to discuss my ideas. With no background in political science, I pitched my concept basing it on the project planning skills we learn as engineers. After all, I thought, engineers, not sociologists, run the biggest companies in the world, solving humanity's problems daily. The Crown Prince and Princess challenged me to lead this initiative, pushing me beyond my comfort zone. My mission was to build the largest grassroots movement possible, and I started with the King's Youth Association. I observed monarchists as bubbles in champagne. There is lots of them, but they are isolated. So I wanted to connect as many of these people as possible. All of them had some different ideas what monarchy is, how things should be done. Some of them were on the left, some of them were on the right. They come from different nationalities and some had very different personalities. But at the core, they were all monarchists. The Crown Prince Alexander introduced me to one of his friends from business who gave me business lessons. What are business plans, goal setting, budgeting, and more. My days were spent at university, and my evenings were dedicated to the movement. Within a year, the association grew to several hundred members all across the country. Our first major public appearance involved 20 buses packed with members chanting, "We want the king," at the live TV broadcast for the National Day. This visibility boosted our membership to 3,000 members, each bringing in more supporters from their own circles. After a year and a half, I stepped down as a leader of the King's Youth Association to focus on my career in the oil and gas industry. The organization, now known as the Kingdom of Serbia Association, continues to thrive and grow and managed to collect 100,000 signatures for monarchy in Serbia. Next, let's move over to 5 leadership lessons I got from working with Crown Prince Alexander II of Serbia. First one was mentorship. The Crown Prince was a mentor who led by example. Great leaders invest time in teaching and motivating their team, using positive reinforcement and rewarding achievements. Secondly, open communication. The first thing I noticed about Crown Prince Alexander was his open communication style. He spoke directly and paid close attention when listening. Third, empathy. Empathy was another crucial trait. The Crown Prince understood the perspectives of those around him. Empathetic leaders can implement changes that benefit the team by understanding their feelings and needs. The fourth one was positivity. Despite the challenges and losses his family endured, the Crown Prince remained positive. Great leaders bring positivity to their work environment, uplifting their team and encouraging better performance. And finally, reliability. Unlike many politicians, the Crown Prince Alexander was reliable. He fulfilled commitments, earning the trust and respect of the people he interacted with. Finally, what I think about monarchy. I think it will be easier to start with the problem definition. I view nationalism as a divisive force that has led to creation of republics and nation-states, which impose artificial cultural boundaries and restrict the freedom of individuals to live and express themselves in communities. This nationalism and party politics, in my view, is akin to football hooliganism, where people blindly cheer for their national or political identity without considering broader, more unifying principles. The fact that we elect presidents that are often figureheads for 4 years only does not bring long-term benefit to society. Nobody elected for 4 years will prioritize long-term multi-generational projects. In fact, we don't have those. They spent 2 years on something that they can campaign over the next 2 years, turning running of states into a short-term party gig. I think monarchy can help with these. Also, monarchies prioritize family values and the well-being of their citizens. After all, they are also being led by a family. Again, thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I never thought we will come this far. I hope to see you more on this channel. And if you want to reach out to me, you can do it in the comments, or you can send me email or write me on X. If you like this video, check out one of these videos as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.